topito o te taira whiti, te reo whakakotahi iwi. Te reo Ngati Porou.
By 1997, Radio Ngati Porou was receiving government funding to broadcast and promote Māori language and tikanga. We were still bringing people together by broadcasting from the community, holding big birthday celebrations, concerts, and for the fitness freaks, an annual duathlon. Over the years, our rugby commentaries have helped fuel our people's passion for rugby. In 1999, that passion helped propel our Ngati Porou East Coast team from the bottom to the top of the NPC 3rd Division 2 years in a row. And we were right there, helping to drive our fans into a frenzy. In 2003, after Cyclone Heta hit Niue, we ran a radiothon to aid their recovery. When Ngati Porou was devastated by Cyclone Bola in 1988, Niue sent thousands of dollars to assist the cleanup. This was our way of giving back. Over 24 hours, the radiothon raised over $53,000. By 2003, Radio Ngati Porou was also broadcasting live on the internet via irirangi.net. Ngati Porou all over the world now had an opportunity to connect to home and our broadcasts. The hikoi to Parliament to protest the foreshore and seabed legislation inspired the winning composition of Manu Waiata 2004. Taku Tai Moana was composed by Kahamai Simon and Tangiwai Campbell. Our multimedia unit was in full swing and Ngā Kohinga, a monthly newsletter of Ngati Porou News, was being produced. We also secured an FM frequency in Tolaga Bay. 90.1 FM went live that year. The winning song of Manu Waiata 2005 wraps up the second decade and celebrates those who keep the home fires burning. Te Wā Kāinga was composed by Patrick Tangaire.
Te reo Ngati Porou.